Hello, how are you? My name is Ivan. I'm a certified risk management consultant specializing in identity theft prevention. The reason for this video is I want to talk to you a little bit about public mugshots. Being able to research someone that you're about to do a business transaction with, someone that your child may be involved with that seems a little bit sketchy, and you really may not know who they are. Also, you may have friends in your life that have been friends for some time, but something doesn't seem to be right about them. And before you allow things to go to the next stage, whether your family gets involved or they become a closer friend to you, and you start to include them into family functions, you really need to know who these people are. So the purpose of this video is, for one, to educate you as to different ways that you can find out who someone is, for one, and for two, just essentially to protect yourself and to be very aware. I'm speaking from personal experience. I had someone who was a friend of mine, a close friend actually, a co-worker, and over the course of time we became pretty close friends. And the person made an announcement to me saying that, listen, this is not my name. He didn't tell me what his real name was, but he said that he has taken this identity because there were charges that he was escaping in another state. And it kind of shocked me, but at the same time, I didn't understand the severity of that, because it could have affected me in a traumatic way, and also could have affected my family. And as I started to work with a risk management company and specialize in the identity theft space, I found that there are people that have horror stories about their identities being stolen, for one, and how their lives were affected, ranging anywhere from being arrested 7 consecutive times. You can find these videos on CNN, and even down to the medical records being altered or changed because someone has stolen their identity and gotten treatment in a medical center. And one that is one of the fastest growing ones is child identity theft. Children's identities are being stolen at a rapid level. 3.5 million children have become a victim to date. Why? Because it takes a longer period of time before it can be discovered. A child can be 16, 17, 18, entering into college before their identity or before their credit report is even run, and you find out that there is a huge problem. So what I've done is, for when I go and educate companies, I do workshops and talk to companies about the 5 most vital types of identity theft and how to prevent them, but also doing a search online through a company that I found to be very reputable and giving you a lot of different ways to be able to search someone's background. Public mugshots is one way. You can see a public mugshot of someone that's very close to you. I found public mugshots on 2 of my friends, and they were currently incarcerated, and I had no idea that they were incarcerated. And they haven't been friends of mine, or I haven't been communicating with them in a number of years. But it's very shocking to find that out. Now, people get into problems, people get into situations. I understand that. I'm not judging anyone. But when it comes to your personal space, when it comes to your personal identity, when it comes to your family members and loved ones, you want to make sure you know the people that are in your life. You want to make sure you know individuals that say that they're this person, but something just doesn't seem right. You need to be able to have a resource in which you can do a search on their identity and make sure that they are who they say they are. If you look below, you can see a link to my website. It is publicmugshots.org. publicmugshots.org. There you can gain access to a variety of different ways to do a search, from searching someone's email address, finding the identity, searching someone's phone number, finding the identity, public records, so many different ways. So check it out when you get a chance. Once again, stay safe out there. Be very cautious in these times. I'll give you another statistic. 27,000 people are a victim of identity theft every day. So be careful, be safe, make sure you are protected, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it's pretty helpful for you. God bless.